tree fell exactly as he had intended, but there was a slight technical error that caused the tree to split as it fell. In fact, he had carefully chosen a safe method to ensure that the tree fell in the right direction, avoiding damage. Because he was worried about rotting the wood, he chose a hinge that was a little thick and required a lot of force, but perhaps a thinner hinge would have been more appropriate. Still, everything was fine. Nothing was broken. The stump would be treated with a grinder, and he left it that long because of rotting wood. Everything was fine. A moment of distraction caused the saw to misdirect the tree, leaving it hanging. However, with a quick refocus, he found a clever and creative solution to fix the situation.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
The roar of the chainsaw filled the air as the cut in the back was made, and the ground shook beneath their feet. With a sudden crack, the tree began to tilt. Then with a loud crash, it fell, shaking the ground as it brought down the surrounding trees. It was an exciting feeling to conquer a giant tree. But don't forget that safety always comes first, no matter how exciting.
I did a video earlier while I was here, looking at talking.
The DAF-150D makes trimming small trees and branches quick and easy. With the ability to trim trees up to 6 inches in diameter and a working width of up to 59 inches, the machine not only reduces the workload, but also saves time for forest owners. Fallen branches are crushed into fine mulch, allowing the soil to recover and grow, while reducing the risk of forest fires and weed growth. The DAF-150D is truly an ideal tool for forests that need to be maintained and protected in a sustainable way. On March 21st, 2015, in Tono City, Iwate Prefecture, Japan, a special event took place, demonstrating the traditional art of logging with horses. During the event, Mr. Makata, one of the last people in Japan who still maintains the traditional logging profession, drove a horse to pull logs from the forest. This event was not only an occasion to honor the unique craft, but also a symbol of preserving traditional cultural heritage in Japan. can only be Nissan TZA 520. Oh my God, I'm holding my breath watching this.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
The HL20-1 with 6 wheels, specially designed for logging in medium to dense forests, stands out for its maneuverability on steep terrain thanks to its telescopic extension legs and portal parallel axle. The integrated winch feature makes it easy to control slopes. With cab view, the operator has optimal visibility for precise and safe work. The HL20-1 is a powerful tool, increasing productivity and ensuring efficiency in forestry work. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile machine that can conquer any challenge in the forest, then the OSA 270 Hilam is the ideal choice. With a pulling capacity of up to 12 tons and an advanced balancing system, the machine is always stable on all terrains. Whether pulling heavy wood or handling cutting and sawing, the machine still achieves outstanding performance. Combined with the OSA 710 processor, the OSA 270 Helm provides precise control and optimal power, helping you complete the job quickly and efficiently. Gabber Hosenfeld is at the forefront of the industry. They have cutting-edge technology that transforms ordinary logs into premium lumber. Not only do they focus on efficiency, but they are also committed to sustainability by using all parts of the Douglas fir in spruce trees. This makes them a true pioneer in the industry. The powerful HSM208F14T forwarder is performing logging work in snowy conditions in Forstbetrieb, Worcester, Germany. With advanced technology and a durable design, the machine is highly efficient in transporting logs through difficult terrain. The forwarder action combined with the logging action not only increases productivity, but also ensures safety and environmental protection during logging, creating an impressive image in the snow-covered landscape. Wagner's new range is designed to deliver maximum performance on the job. Listening to customer feedback, Wagner has created machines that are faster, easier to maintain, and offer excellent operator comfort. Safety is always a top priority, and these wood stackers are built to last, with reinforced components to withstand heavy impacts. You'll no longer have to worry about frequent tire changes and can enjoy smoother, more reliable operation than ever before. We all want to be in control of every situation, right? With the Vermeer HG6800TX chip drum, you will be in control of every challenge. Equipped with a powerful V12 diesel engine, up to 950 horsepower, 710 kilowatts, and a modern hydraulic transmission system, this machine provides outstanding power, helping you easily overcome any obstacle and crush all obstacles in the way ahead. Today, my team is working on a giant dead red oak tree. This oak tree is like a time bomb, with the risk of falling at any moment, threatening everything around it. It is severely leaning backwards, so cutting it down will not be easy. Plus, a storm is coming, which will only increase the difficulty of the job. However, we are mentally prepared and ready to face this challenge.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
If you are not a professional woodworker, it is best to keep your distance and stay away from a potentially dangerous leaning tree. Do not attempt to cut down the tree yourself, as it is a serious hazard. Contact professionals who have the skills and equipment to handle the situation. Do not try to be a hero. Your safety is paramount. This slope may not be too difficult for ordinary transport trucks. However, look at the back of these trucks. There are nearly 100 tons of timber, a weight that is beyond the capacity of any truck. Even the most powerful heavy-duty trucks cannot overcome these slopes with such a huge volume of timber, but need the support of specialized tractors. This scene is truly impressive, clearly demonstrating the power and precision of heavy-duty timber transport. The La Nacional chainsaw, manufactured in Brazil in the 1930s, is a prime example of the industrialization of woodworking. This horizontal machine, equipped with a flywheel rotating at 300 revolutions per minute, marked an important step in the mechanization of the frame saws used by pit saws. With a minimum power of 7 horsepower, it symbolized the transition to more efficient and less labor-intensive methods, facilitating the work of craftsmen and increasing productivity. A true legacy of the know-how of the time, this saw reminds us of the technological development of the world of work and production. Hey guys, are you ready? This is the Clearin' HD 848, a machine that will blow your mind. With 2 powerful cutting heads, double the performance, This machine is nothing short of a monster that is eager to conquer every bark. Its overwhelming power will completely change the way you think about this job. Don't miss the impressive performance now. The Hockey Pilkey 43 Pro is an automatic saw designed for precise and efficient cutting of wood. The dual blade system and its ability to adjust their direction are among the features that enable the Hockey Pilkey 43 Pro to operate continuously and efficiently. This not only increases productivity, but also reduces the risk of errors or machine downtime during operation, creating a smoother and more efficient working environment. The video shows a local tree cutter cutting the top of a pine tree that is estimated to be over 100 feet tall. It is a job that requires great skill and absolute composure, as any mistake can lead to serious danger. Our peach log splitter is mounted on our 13-ton Hitachi, effortlessly splitting a massive ash log. This powerhouse splitter packs incredible force for a machine of its size, making quick work of even the toughest logs. It also features a clamp that holds the tree securely at a comfortable height, allowing for smooth, precise cutting with a chainsaw or other tools. Perfect for boosting efficiency on any logging operation. The AMI stump harvester is the ultimate wood harvesting attachment for excavators, designed to dig, split, shear, and load with ease. Perfect for land clearing, wood processing, and tree line trimming, this versatile tool is built to maximize productivity across various tasks. Whether you're clearing land or trimming trees, the stump harvester enhances efficiency and performance, making it an essential addition to any heavy machinery setup.